This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. It's a delight to be here helping you with playing the guitar. In this video, I'm going to go over a strumming pattern that works really well for 5/8 times, specifically in the 3+2 configuration. So in the last video, that was part of this lesson series, I did a 2+3 option with 5/8 time. In the video before that, we actually worked on understanding 5/8 time and what 2+3 versus 3+2 is. So here in this video, we're going to work on a 3+2 configuration. After we've worked on this strumming pattern together, of course, we'll jam together, you, me, and the band, on a couple songs using this strumming pattern. This video does accompany lesson 14 from my Chords and Harmony Books 1 and 2 method book. In that book, we are starting on page 88. This is strumming pattern I2 there on page 88. We'll play song number 5, and then we'll also be over on page 94 playing song number 12. So we're going to be doing that here in the video. Let's go ahead and start off by taking a look at this strumming pattern. So with the 3+2 configuration, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. We worked on that previously. So with this strumming pattern, what we're going to do is down, up, down for the 3/8 note configuration, and we're going to do down, up, up for the 2. We actually did the same sort of thing in the last video for the 2+3 configuration, but now the two different components are reversed. So we're going down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. So down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. You can practice that with muted strings as much as you need to. I'm going to slow it down just a hair for demonstration purposes. So we'd have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And we'll start there as we practice it a little bit with a chord progression. One of the songs that we're going to be playing uses D, G, and A7 as the chords in that progression. So let's go ahead and create a little progression just going D, G, A7, and D, practicing this strumming pattern. So if we start off at that slower tempo, we would have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Practice that sort of thing as much as you need to. If we take it a little faster, we'd have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. This is tricky stuff, so you can practice that sort of thing as much as you want to, but here in the video, we're going to go ahead and jam together on a couple different songs using this strumming pattern. So we'll start off with number 5 there on page 88. It's a familiar chord progression, so that'll help us as we're working on this challenging strumming pattern. That progression is going to happen 4 times as we jam together on the song, and it'll happen first at a slower tempo and then a faster tempo. Of course, you can just mute those strings and work on the strumming pattern and then start adding in those chords when you're ready to. It's important as you're doing this to just sort of try and get the feel down. Just get comfortable with that feel, and maybe not try and count your way through it, but just get comfortable with that feel. So after we've done number 5, we're going to go over to page 94 and do number 12. So the chord progression there that's number 12 will be the chord progression for the song we'll be jamming on. That one will happen at 2 different tempos. So both of them happen at 2 different tempos, a slower tempo and a faster tempo. Alright, it's going to be super fun. Let's go ahead and jam together. Okay, fantastic. I hope you're having fun with this as we continue through this lesson series working on lesson 14 from the Chords and Harmony book. We're going to take a look at 7/8 time next. So we're going to start working with 7/8 time in the next video. It's going to be great. Take care and I'll see you again.
Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.